like to go to space?
I have no interest in going to space.
What if I say, hey, Evan, I want to go to space and I want you to come with?
Wow. When you do.
Okay, next question. I don't like this one too.
All right, we're going to do something fun. 7 questions with Evan and Nina. You excited?
Sure.
I used to love the number 7 because it rhymed with Evan. So when I was 7, I used to say, the phone dropped. I used to say, is that because Timo came up?
Yeah.
Wow, Timo. All right, Timo's joining us. I used to say, Evan is 7 and he's going to heaven.
Oh, it is that why?
That's what it rhymes. Okay, so we got a book. It's called 300 More Writing Prompts. And we're going to pull 7 questions out of here that Nina and I are going to answer. And we'll see how what's on the floor? Is that your jacket on the floor there?
Yeah.
Did you throw your jacket on the floor?
Yeah.
We don't hang up jackets? Let's focus. We got life-changing questions and 7 with Evan and Nina. 7 with Nina and Evan. 7.
Okay, just go.
Wow. Okay, this feels like the right spot here. Okay, look at that. If you could name a street after yourself, where would it be and what would the name be? The catch is it can't be your first or last name.
It can't?
No.
Actually, there's a name called Nina in Toronto.
This is a street? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, but you can't pick Nina.
Okay.
But you have to name it after yourself.
Yeah.
But it can't be your name.
Okay.
And where would it be?
Okay. I will name it Special Creature on the street that I live.
Do you want to explain why Special Creature?
Because I'm special.
Her League of Legends name is Special Creature.
And then you always call me Creature when we first started dating.
I called her a special creature.
Yeah.
Not just a creature, I called her a special creature.
Yeah.
Mine would have to be Believe. Come on. I like the street where you are. I like that. The other option I would pick is Yonge Street, which is the longest. It's the longest street in Canada, maybe one of the longest in the world. Look it up, Yonge Street, Yonge. It ranks somewhere. So I like the idea that Believe Street is one of the longest streets in the world. Or where we live. I like that too. That's a good one. Those are good options. Okay, good. Hey, first question done. That was unique. See, that's why you get a book, because I would have never thought to ask a question like that. Okay, I would have asked like, what's your favorite food, Nina? See, this is interesting. What's your favorite food?
Soup.
Pizza. If you had to make a pro and con list about yourself, what would the top 3 be in each category?
I don't know.
That's a pretty deep question right there.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, the girl's up too now. Let's go cons first. Come on, cons first.
Why?
Top 3 cons, because then we end on a positive.
Okay.
Top 3 cons about yourself.
Oh my God, top 3 cons. I get angry very easily when people don't listen to me.
You see these bruises? See these bruises?
There's no bruises.
What happened to the hair, guys?
Okay, you almost have no hair when I met you, okay?
That's not true.
It's not my fault.
Let's flash back. Christina, let's do a recall of my hair when I met Nina. Okay, next.
When I started doing something, I need to finish it, otherwise it's gonna bother me.
Okay.
And which is like,
Yeah.
it's like when he say, okay, let's go out, but I can't go out because I need to finish what I'm doing.
Ooh, okay.
Yeah, so
okay.
sometimes like, we get in a fight because of that.
Did we? Not a fight.
Yeah, almost.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
I get angry at you because
but it's
I
not
need
a fight.
to finish what I'm doing. So that's
whatever.
con.
I'm not going to get into a fight.
So I get, I don't know what else.
Okay, next.
What's next? I don't know. What's
One
my
more.
con? What else is my con? I don't even know. I don't think about those things.
Okay. So that's it? You're going to do 2?
Yeah.
Okay, cons. I need to believe in myself more. I get interrupted. Like, I don't like being interrupted. I don't have a lot of patience when I'm being interrupted.
Can't interrupt him.
But you just basically said the same thing for yourself. Yeah, I've gotten better at it, but I don't like being interrupted.
No, you got worse at that.
Worse?
Yeah.
I don't think I got worse.
Yeah. It's like before when I interrupt you, you will have a little more patience. But now if I interrupt you, you get like, you flip out.
Come on, flip out. Now you're freaking out. I don't flip out. When was the last time I flipped out?
No, you get angry when I interrupt you.
All right, apparently I'm getting worse.
Yeah.
I don't think so, but apparently.
What's your 3 pros?
Oh, we're just doing 2? Okay, I like that. 2 cons and 3 pros. Okay, you go first. Pros.
No, I asked you, so you go first.
Wow. Okay, 3 pros about myself. I'm very creative. I work very hard when I want to get something done. Like there's no stopping me. It's gonna happen. And I have excellent taste in women.
I have excellent taste in
Come on, what is that?
My quality in finding good men has been improved. That's why I found this guy.
Wow. Okay. That's a gimme. 2 more.
I care a lot about my like family and friends that surround it.
Oh.
Yeah. See, like Mother's Day. Who think about your mother, your mom, and your sister? I have to buy the Mother's Day gift and bring it over. You don't even think about those kind of things.
I didn't even know it was Mother's Day, to be honest.
See? So my friend was asking me, I was asking my friend what she did. I said happy Mother's Day to her, and I asked her what she did. And then she was upset because she think that her husband forgot about it's Mother's Day. He won't even let her sleep in. And then she asked me what I did. I said, Evan doesn't even remember Mother's Day, so I bought the gift and brought it over to your parents.
I'm just not that big on any day, like my own birthday. I don't.
Well, at least you know when your birthday is. Okay. When is your wife's birthday?
The Ides of March. March 15th. Okay.
Yeah.
Next. What do you mean, yes? You have to do 3 things you love about yourself. The Ides of March is when Julius Caesar was killed.
What does that mean?
It means the middle. The Ides was, I don't know where that comes from, but the middle, like the 15th of March was when Julius Caesar was killed. And Nina was born.
Next, I'm pretty a good cook. I just, whatever you give it to me, I'm just put everything together and it tastes amazingly good. Right, Evan?
It's pretty good. A little too much bok choy. I feel like I'm bok choy there. It's a lot of bok choy. What's the other one? The other one, not even the bok choy. What's the other one? The other green that you put in? What? The Chinese green? There's one Chinese green that you put in like every meal.
I don't put in every
But apart
meal.
from that, it's great. Yeah.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Okay. That's 2.
You cook yourself.
Gets angry.
Number 3.
Okay, that's 3. Okay, 3. What do you think is the most important thing to save money for?
Save money for retirement.
Retirement? Are you going to retire?
I still have a long way.
I hope so. Jesus. Yeah, I kind of agree. I think just in general, just some future... There's no thing that we're like, oh my gosh, we need to save up so we can buy a whatever. I mean, we get into arguments, not arguments, but just Nina wants a house, I don't want a house.
Yeah.
It's not like, oh my goodness, when we save up $20 million, we'll go buy this house.
House doesn't cost $20 million.
Well, okay, so like, the house I built, we built that, what is it?
You built.
I built. It was 5,000 square feet, custom, modern, cost like 1.6 to build. So.
But that's the whole value of the house.
Yeah, but it's not like oh my gosh,
anyways.
We're saving up so we can build a house.
Next question.
It's more like some future, just in case something happens. I think just to have I'm a risk. What?
Okay,
I'm not a very risky
question.
person. I'll risk my time, but I won't risk my money on things. So it's good to have just in case. I don't know, just in case. Okay, next question. Ooh, there's a long page for this. Okay, 2 more. No, this is only the 3rd one. We got 4 more. Okay, we gotta hustle, man.
Okay, hurry up.
If you're gonna spend a week away from home and could only bring 3 things aside from a change of clothes, what would you bring and why? Things. It didn't say people or animals. Okay, Nina? I know that's what you're thinking.
I wasn't thinking anything.
3 things. Well, I thought my wife immediately, okay?
My credit card, my passport.
Oh my gosh. Okay, great.
Ooh, smelly. She's just made.
Okay, can you put it on the floor or something?
Ooh, it's just in it. Come on.
That's why we don't bring the dogs. Okay, keep next. And?
Your house key. You need to get home.
Oh, so practical. This is more like you're going to be away for a week. What do you want to bring with you?
Oh, I don't know. What are you going to bring?
I would bring What would I have to bring for a week? I would bring my computer.
Yeah, I was gonna say that. You need your.
I mean, I guess I'm pretty practical too. I bring my computer, bring my phone.
And your credit card, right? No, actually, I have credit card, so you don't need a credit card. But if you don't have me, then you need a credit card.
Maybe, I guess. No. What would I? Yeah, I guess. I mean, passport, of course. Credit card, of course. But I think most people. I like traveling with my laptop and my phone. Like, it's not. I'm not running away from a life I don't like. Right? I like my life. I like knowing what's happening. It's not like, oh my gosh, I can't wait till next summer so we can get away and not have to make videos, you know? So I enjoy my work. I like bringing my work with me. It's part of me. It's not something separate. So what would the third thing be?
Credit card, no?
Nah, you said that anyway.
Passport?
No, come on. Keys, no. I mean, laptop, phone, even laptop and phone are pretty close. An open mind. I bring an open mind with me. Come on, you like that? I like that. Okay, what do you think about people living off the grid? And would this be something you'd ever consider?
What does that mean?
Off the grid means you're making your own. Electricity is the starting point. Like you have your own solar panels, so that you get electricity.
Yeah.
You can go further in like your own water. Like you collect the water from outside and filter it so that you're not using water. Is this something you would ever do?
No.
But what do you think about people who do it?
Good for them.
Yeah. Okay. People are doing it. What do I think of people? I think awesome. Go do you. Great. Would I do it? Zero. No interest. That's not where I want to spend my time. Is figuring out like, will this solar panel work, and what happens if it, zero. I love that it's convenient and taken care of for me, and I could pay someone to do it. It's not what I want to get better at. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 2 more. Who would you love to collaborate on something with, and what would you collab on? It could be anything. You cook with somebody. That's
actually, I'll find with you, Yuko. I've been thinking about having Yuko over to make a cooking video.
What? You hear that, Yuko? Come on over. Well, not yet, quarantine, but come on over. That's an easy collab. You can make that happen whenever you want.
Yeah.
Yuko's made some awesome butter tarts for us, and matcha tarts, and other things, cookies and stuff. So that's a great. That could even be. Stay tuned for the video. You guys should do a video together. That'd be great. Wow, I can't believe you picked Yuko. That's amazing. I would pick Kanye West or Oprah and do an interview with them for my channel, because I don't think people have asked them enough entrepreneur questions. Okay, last question. 7 with Evan. Hey, Nina. What is the most constructive criticism you've ever received?
Can you go to next question? I don't know.
No, this is a good question. Come on.
No. Okay, go to next.
Are you serious? We're gonna skip this? That's a great question.
No.
I had a great answer, Believe Nation. Anyway,
you tell me afterward.
How often do you take stock of your life and evaluate the direction you're going? When you do.
Okay, next question. I don't like this one too.
Because it's too long, right? She's already zoning out. If you can't answer the question in 10 words, she's out. Okay. Where's someone you never want to travel to and why? That's a pretty fast one.
What did you just say? I didn't even hear what you said.
Where is somewhere you'd never want to travel to and why?
I would want to travel everywhere.
It could be even like something small, like a sewer.
No.
It doesn't have to be a country. Would you want to travel to a sewer?
No.
Okay, well, take it something like that.
Okay, not a sewer. Okay?
No, not a sewer. Something similar.
I don't know. What else?
How about a slaughterhouse?
No.
What?
But where would there be a slaughterhouse?
I don't know. General, like you could pick. You don't have to pick like China or something. You could pick a.
So mean.
No, I'm saying you don't have to pick something. You don't have to be a city or a country. You could pick something else.
Anywhere that it's thrill. Like horror, I don't like to go.
Oh, there you go. Like a horror amusement park or something.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, that's a good one. That's a good one. Good answer, Nina. Good answer. I would say space.
Why? Well, don't you want to go? I would like to go to space.
I have no interest in going to space.
What if I say, hey, Evan, I want to go to space and I want you to come with?
Wow. You want to go to space?
Yeah, why not? It's cool.
I mean...
You get to control.
You get to control what?
Like, you're in the space, you move, you could,
That makes no sense. You get to control, you get to move? What? You just want to float?
Yeah.
Swim?
No, I don't like swimming.
Space, I don't know. I just feel like I'm going to vomit inside my face mask and not be able to...
How would you vomit?
Are you serious? You're doing like the pressure against you. It's like roller coasters make me nauseous. I can't imagine going on.
Does
space.
roller coaster make you nauseous?
Yeah. And like it gets sick. I mean, I'd have to do some serious. I'm sure it's overcomeable. I have to do some serious training to get there.
Okay.
But
we will get you trained up before.
Really? Do you want to go to space?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Man, I look at Jeff Bezos and Elon Musk and those guys racing to Mars and stuff. Elon wants to take a one-way trip to Mars.
Why?
And never come back. I don't know. I mean, but listen, it's something that a lot of people love that idea, or even just going up to the atmosphere and floating and coming back down. I have no interest in that. I have no interest. I'm sure we could learn it, but there's lots of other things I'd rather learn than overcoming nausea to get to space. Yeah. Okay, well, that's our video, guys. 7 questions with Evan.
And where did you get the questions from? Show the book.
Oh, 300 more writing prompts. I bought it for $4 at a bargain at a store that was on sale. Bookstore that was on sale. Oh,
what is that?
I don't know. Oh, this is from the Arete Syndicate. Ed my luck here. Cool. Well, let us know what you think. Special, come on, woke up. Special new kind of weird video. If you like it, let us know in the comments below. And if you want to see one of Nina's awesome cooking videos, check the link right there next to us. I think you'll enjoy it. Continue to believe, and we'll see you there.